What is going on, Pokemon fans? And welcome back to part number 3 of our booster box, our Roaring Skies booster box opening. Alright, my car. So here it is, the final half of this booster box. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's the other 9 for the last half of the video. Alright, so here's the 9 for this part of the video. We should get 3 more EXs, I believe, and 3 more hollows, or 4 more hollows. I don't know. I lost count already on how much hollows I pulled. Alright. And then, yeah, if you hear that, follow my daughter's in the background watching her YouTube. So, yeah, don't mind it. Alright, so, first pack of this third part. Alright, Firo, Mega Turbo, Winona, Execute, Talo, Electric, Bagon, Ninkada, a reverse P-Dove, and a Zatu. Alright. Oh, my neck is sore. Second pack. Oh man, look at this pack. Totally destroyed. Okay, guys, here we go. We got a Latios, Spirit Link, Dustox, Firo, a Bagon, Execute, a Fletchling, Pikachu, P-Dove, Winona Reverse, and a Banette again. So nothing good for the second pack. Here's the third pack. There's that devious Inkay again. Freaking guy, yeah? You gotta steal Meowth's berry, yeah, buddy? Alright. Switch, Ninjask, Skyfield, Inkay, Natu again. Can we get 3 Natus in this pack? Togepi, Fletching, nope. A Bagon. And another full art. Wow. So we pulled 2 full arts, I believe. Wow, and I don't have this card too. Awesome. So this box is pretty good. I've gotten 2 full arts. 2 full arts and a secret rare so far. This is an excellent box, to say the least. Wow. Full art Winona Trainer. And I don't have this. Number 108 of 108. Nice. Whew, my first one ever. Wow. Alright. Next pack. Hey, leave the door open, baby. Don't close it. It's hot over here, honey. Okay, 3 in the front. We got a Revive, Pelipper, Togetic, Dunsparce, Wingo, Dratini, Electric, Swablu, a Reverse Victini, which is a reverse rare, and a Talonflame. Okay. Alright. Oh, these packs. Ooh. Okay. Got it out of the wrapper, the packaging. Okay. Sorry about my daughter. She doesn't want to go out of the room, so yeah. Alright, so we got it. Executor, Healing Scarf, Shell Gun, Sharpit, Meowth, Cascoon, Halucha, Dratini, Unpheasant, Reverse, Rare, and a Jirachi Hollow. Nice. So I believe we should get 2 more EXs at least. I don't know. So we got 4 packs. We should get like 2. If not, all these rest should be all hits. But I don't know. I don't know what the ratio is for the box. So yeah. Wait, no. Hello, I got one more side left. One more part. Why am I thinking that this is the last part? Huh. Okay, so we got it. Ultra Ball. Nice. Ninjask. Shogun. Barnacle. Gligar. Sharpit. Togepi. Ninkada. A reverse Klefki, which is a rare again, and a Skarmory. Okay. Alright. Open Sesame. Why am I doing weird things? I don't know. Hey, look, it's another Ultra Ball. Tropius, Steven, Barnacle, Spearow, Dunsparce, Voltorb, Gligar, Reverse Salamence Rare, and a Bayonet with 8-inch rate this time. Okay, second to the last pack. Chassis, is Grandma's TV working? Three in the front, and my brother just came home. It's working, baby? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Alright. Glade, Spirit Link, Wide Lens, Fletchinder, Spearow, Voltorb, Inkay, Cascoon, Meowth, another Inkay, and an Altaria, 8-inch traits. Alright, last pack of this third part. So we got a Silcoon, a Wally, Togetic, Bagon, P-Dove, Swablu, Wurmple, Ninkada, and an Altaria Rare Reverse, nice, and a Shedinja. Okay, so this is only the pulls that we got for the third half of the box, which is a full art Winona Trainer and a Jirachi Hollow. Awesome. So yeah, I believe that we are expected to pull 2 more EXs and like 2 more or 3 more hollows or something like that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. And if you are new, guys, please hit that subscribe button for more Pokemon openings. And I'll see you guys in the next one, in the last part of the video. Alright, later guys.